Welcome to Bird Nest Suites, where modern elegance meets unparalleled comfort in the heart of Istanbul. For those ready to secure their stay, the booking QR code can be found in the description below. Stepping into this intimate urban retreat, you're greeted by an atmosphere of refined contemporary design, where every detail has been curated for discerning travelers. Opened in 2024, Bird Nest Suites presents 33 exquisitely appointed rooms, each a harmonious blend of clean lines, warm textures, and thoughtful amenities. Designed to cater to both the business voyager and the leisure-seeking explorer, the space invites you to unwind in style just moments from Istanbul's historical wonders and vibrant cultural pulse. Convenience is woven seamlessly into every aspect of your stay, with flexible check-in and check-out times to accommodate even the most dynamic itineraries. Parents will appreciate the thoughtful touch of complimentary stays for young children, while 24-hour room service ensures indulgence is never more than a moment away. After a day of discovering the city's treasures, return to crisp linens and the ease of on-demand laundry services, because true luxury lies in the effortless details. High-speed Wi-Fi keeps you effortlessly connected, whether you're sharing moments of your journey or attending to professional matters. Fresh from its renovation, Bird Nest Suites stands as a sanctuary of modern tranquility amid Istanbul's timeless energy, where every stay is tailored to elevate your experience. To reserve your suite, simply scan the QR code below, your gateway to a seamless blend of comfort, style, and sophistication in this enchanting city.